if you don't mind, I can give you some free consulting that'll probably make you $1 gajillion. Okay?
Oh.
Who benefits from these companies doing better besides their employees? Who else would benefit? If masonry companies sold more walls and foundations in masonry, who else benefits from that?
You mean like the customers?
Besides the customers and besides their employees.
The guys that sell concrete.
The guys that sell concrete. You know who else benefits? Sean. Because Sean's renting them the equipment. If I was you, I might go online and find all of the equipment rental companies for masonry companies and go, hey, there is something going on that every rental company is having to deal with right now. There is literally lightning in a bottle. Nobody's aware of it. I just wanted to not trying to sell you guys anything. I just want to make sure you guys were aware. Sean's going to be like, yo, what's up? Yeah, here's what's up. So a lot of the small companies that are, by the way, smaller companies typically rent their equipment. Okay, so they're renting the presses and the jacket. I don't know what the equipment is, right? The thing that gets the thing level before the wall. Here's what nobody's talking about. A lot of these companies don't have websites. We have found that they have half of their customers on average. They end up having to do the quote. They end up having to do everything, and the customer goes to them because they don't find out it's a website. It really sucks for you because they're coming and they're contacting you and they're getting everything, and then they're calling you guys and going, hey, I don't need that anymore. And in some cases, you've reserved the equipment for them. And it's a problem. How are you guys dealing with that? Man, yeah, it is a problem. I get ghosted quite a bit. What if your smaller accounts could rent, I don't know, 3 times, 4 times, 7 times more equipment from you? That would be pretty cool. Awesome. That's what I was thinking as well. If you know, because I know these guys really trust you and you're in a value, here's the thing. If I cannot help them, I'll be the first one to raise my hand. If you know of anybody that doesn't have a website, please make them aware whether they go with me or not. The reason why they're getting ghosted from their clients, whether they're commercial or residential clients, in many cases is something as stupid as they don't have a website. I'd be happy to talk to them. I'd be happy to make a recommendation whether they go with me or not. If we can get your customers that are renting from you websites, their equipment that they're going to be renting from you is going to skyrocket because that's why they're not closing deals. Right? And figure out who else, the masonry supply, whoever supplies the concrete. You should go out and make connections with all of those people because if they can help, and by the way, now their customers owe them a favor. Man, I got a guy. You need to talk to my website guy. I'll call in a favor for you. Awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah, awesome. Can you, by the way, you guys need if you have anybody that needs rental stuff, let them know. Yeah, dude, I totally will. Now it's like everybody's helping everybody. You've got that website piece. This is economics, right? It's the entire ecosystem around that company is screwed by them not having a website. And if you can do that, those people will find your leads for you. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.